cool is this though, right? Oh, you know what though? Maybe if we turn some lights on or something. It doesn't matter. Got both lights on. But it's like shooting sparks all over the place. This thing gets on fire in the oven. How cool is that? Oh, I'm kind of letting up. I also enjoyed those sparks. That was so cool. Oh, here they go again. Look, 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 look. They're shooting all over the place. Wow, cool, right? Oh my god, so much is... This is the cleaning mode of the oven. I have fun with these things. Oh, how bad is that? Oh, look at that. Wow, it just keeps going and going. I thought it got most of it, whatever it was burning. 1,000 degrees. I've heard it's 1,000 degrees. Wow, it's really cool. Yeah, it's smoking good in there. And there's sparks like shooting all over the place. I wonder if... I may have had it zoomed in by accident. It's really hot right here though. Well, we'll see in the replay how it looks. Oh, wow, look at that. Look how cool that is, right? You can hear it maybe. Wow, it's hot right here. Yeah, we'll see if it's clearer on the replay. It's one of my favorite parts of the oven self-clean thing, watching the stuff burn off. Wow, it's really cool. Look, it's coming more toward the door here. Like most of the stuff is burned off toward the middle, and now we're... How cool play-by-play is this, though, right?